Hey SES family, it's Chef Bobby again, and my assistant
Jude, 7 years old, 4 feet 10, originally from Bel Air, MD.
Alright, today we're actually going to be making a vanilla cake from scratch, and there will be a follow-up video of how to make buttercream icing. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is wash our hands. Have you washed your hands?
Nope.
I have. So, come on buddy, do it quick so we don't have to leave these guys waiting long. So today I got my stand mixer. We're going to use that instead of the hand mixer today because we're going to have quite a bit of mixing to do. Plus with the buttercream we're going to have to do that. And a whisk would take a little longer than what we would need it. Alright, oh here he is, back and fresh. Fresh hands. Alright, so the first thing you got to do is you got to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Which we already have. It's currently preheating. So we have to cream together a half a cup of butter and a cup of sugar.
And I'm doing that.
So you want your butter to be softened. I throw it in the microwave for like 30 seconds, which you can do, but you don't want it to get melted. You just want it to be soft. So we're going to go ahead and add our butter in. Which a half a cup is 1 stick of butter. Okay. So then we need our sugar. 1 cup of sugar. Jude, can you show them where a cup is? On the. Hold it up close so they can see. Nice. 1 cup. So we got 1 cup of sugar.
I'll dump it in.
Okay. So
Where should we dump it in?
We're gonna dump it into the mixer because we've got to cream together our sugar and butter.
What's that mean?
It means to mix them together real nice so it's nice and creamy. There's not a lot of lumps in it. Oh, hang on. Perfect. Good job. You told me to stop right at the right time. So we're going to put it in our mixer. Hang on, let me lift the... Go ahead. Give it a little shake, get it all over. There we go. Let me move this here. Okay, so then we're going to cream it together. Alright, I'm going to start this right now. It's my mixer. Remember, it's going to be loud. Bear with me. It should only take a few seconds to a minute.
Wait, I'm going to tell... and I am going to entertain you with my dancing.
With his mixer dance.
Yeah.
Okay.
I've got some good news. Tonight at 6 o'clock, it is my opening night for Moana Junior.
Yeah, we can't wait. We're really excited about that.
Yeah. And just a reminder, I told you this like maybe 2 videos ago, 1 video, that I am in the Crab Tamatawa, and I am also a ocean ensemble.
And what song do you sing?
Sunny!
Alright. You ready? We're going to cream this together a little more.
I'm going to show you how to dip the nuggets.
That's one of his dance moves in the show. Alright. So we got it all creamed butter here. Sit back down. Mixer dance is over for now, but you will get to do it again.
Yes.
So we've already creamed together our butter and our sugar. So now we've got to add our eggs. Jude, what do you have to remember about eggs when you're breaking them? They look creepy. You should always break your eggs into the bowl or into a separate container. A separate container. I'm using a mug today. My nose is itchy. So we're gonna do our eggs individually in the mug. The reason you do them in a separate container is because you don't want eggshells in your batter.
Look at this.
And the recipe tells you to put your eggs in separately. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to get this going a little low, lock it in place.
And another thing, it looks really creepy. It does. Grosses me out.
It grosses you out.
Yeah, I think I'm getting...
Alright, I'm going to add my egg. We're going to add our second egg.
No. Whoa. It just freaks me out. Ooh.
Okay. We'll set our eggs aside. I'm going to turn it back up a little bit to get everything mixed together.
Yeah, Mickey
No
Mouse.
dance.
No dance, no. This is how do you dip the nuggets?
All right.
You gotta pop it.
So while you're mixing it, it's always good to push down everything on the side.
And it's good to do a mixer dance while the mixer's on.
That's right. It's a good cardio. Good cardio workout if you do a mixer dance while you're baking.
Yes.
All right.
Yes, it is.
So we're gonna get it going again. Make sure everything's mixed up.
Everything is
All right. Then we're gonna add our teaspoon.
Sorry.
You're right. We're gonna add our 2 teaspoons of vanilla.
Ooh, can I do it?
Yep.
And I'll do it with my dance.
So you gotta hold it over.
Because the dance makes everything
Pour it
better.
in. All right. Oh, dancing makes everything better.
Yeah.
All right.
I've been playing video games.
Careful. Keep going.
Actually,
Good.
I
One
think-
more. You think what?
I think I poured more in.
It's okay.
Because more vanilla makes something better.
I like extra vanilla in my
Gangnam Style.
baked goods.
Gangnam Style.
All right, so we're gonna beat
Who
that
let
up.
the dog out? Who let the dog down? Who let the dog? Hey.
All right, we have quite a few mixer dances today because we're using our stand mixer. So
And
now
we dance.
we have to mix together our dry ingredients.
Maybe we should put on some music when I do my mixer dance.
Yeah, we'll have to work on that
Why?
because we got to figure out how to edit that into it. 1.5 cups of flour. We're gonna use our liquid measuring cup.
Yay. We get to use that. Gangnam
Just a little
Style.
easier, and I'm gonna let you do this. So we need 1.5 cups of flour. Where can you show me where 1.5 is? Can you show the camera where 1.5 is? 1 and then 1/2. All right.
No, it's 1/2.
1/2. I'm sorry. So we're gonna take and we're gonna very neatly
I'll do it.
pour it in. Here, hold on to it, and I'll tell you when. Go ahead. You're good. Oh. We don't want the whole bag in there, buddy. Oh, that's perfect. Good job. All right, so we're going to put our flour in the bowl.
Should I just shake it?
Yes. And then we have to add our baking soda. All right. Baking soda, we need 1 1/3 teaspoons of baking soda.
I'm really helping today.
You are. You're rocking it.
Yeah.
All right, so we got
I'm
1
gonna dump
teaspoon.
it. I'm gonna dump it. Don't.
And then we need 3/4 of a teaspoon,
Shake it up.
which will be 3 of these little ones. Okay, now when you do baking soda, you get this little bend in the cardboard. That's so you can level off your tablespoon. Because if you just pull it out, it's going to look like that. It's going to be pretty high. Where if you rub it up against the cardboard, you get it flat. So that's 1. Judy, would you like to do the next 2?
Yes, I will. I will, my dad. Yeah.
Rub it up against the cardboard, or slide it across the cardboard. Oh, no. You guys. There you go. 2. Oh, do it again. You drop some. There you go. And 1 more. All right.
Should I
And
shake it
now
up?
we're gonna mix it with the.
I'll do it.
Go ahead. All right.
Hey.
Jude, you what I forgot to get?
Yeah.
The milk. Can you grab the milk from the refrigerator?
Yes, I like to drink milk.
He loves milk. It's one of his favorite things. The only 2 things he drinks: milk and apple juice.
cider.
Apple juice and apple cider. And we just
Cherry pomegranate.
cherry pomegranate crystal light. That was something we just
and also
found out that he
fruit
really
punch.
likes. Sometimes fruit punch. So I was wrong. He doesn't like only 2 things.
And I can drink grape every once in a while.
Yeah.
And I could probably drink
All right.
Sunny
So
D.
now what we're gonna do is we're going to slowly add in our dry ingredients into our egg, butter, sugar, and vanilla
I'll do
mixture.
it.
So I'm going to put it on low so that it won't go everywhere, hopefully, while we're pouring it in. And you got to do it a little bit at a time.
Can I do it?
Yep. So what you're going to do, Jude, is we're going to hold it up. And we're not going to dump it. I'm going to push it in with the whisk. So if you hold it up, I'll push it in.
Yeah, I got it.
Oh, we're already making a mess.
Messes make everything better.
That's right. Messes make everything taste better.
Yeah, make sure you clean it up.
Yeah, that's right. You got to clean it up. Why, Jude?
Because you don't want your mom and dad yelling at you.
Mom, dad, grandma, uncles, aunt, whoever.
Don't make them clean it up.
Alright, so let's go ahead and let that mix in a little bit.
Hey, there wasn't all of it.
No, we're going to let it mix in a little bit. I'm going to take my
You
spatula.
got me.
Oh, I'm going to take my rubber spatula and I'm going to push it down on the sides. Make sure we don't have a lot of flour on the sides.
Can I just mix it up extra?
Yep, alright, here we go. We're ready to add more in. Alright, you ready?
Yeah, I put extra flavor in it.
Extra love.
No, extra power.
Extra power.
That's what I call power. While we have milk out, I'm gonna get.
Hang on, we gotta cook right now. We gotta bake. No drink breaks.
What?
Jude, get over here.
I'm thirsty.
Alright, so let's set this over here. Alright, we're gonna mix it together really good so it's nice and fluffy.
And delicious.
Yes. We're gonna go ahead and set some things aside so that we have some space to work. Can you set the flour over there by the camera and the sugar? Can you set the bowl over there too? Set the bowl over there.
I want to shake this down.
Alright. Now, put that down. We gotta use that for the rest of the Get out of here.
Kidding with you.
So the last thing we have to do, and could lead to a big mess, is we have to add a half a cup of milk to the batter.
And then I get myself a drink.
And then he can have a drink while we're getting ready for the next video. So we need a half a cup. Jude, where's a half a cup? That's 1.5, whereas just half a cup. Okay, can you show everybody at home the half cup? Okay. So now we're going to put our milk up to a half a cup. Okay.
Stop.
Stop. Right there.
And now I get myself a
Well,
drink.
hang on. We got to do some stuff first. All right, so now we're going to add it slowly. Now, when you're using a mixer, the important thing is when you're adding liquids like a batter or anything like that.
Milk.
Milk, yes.
Juice.
Milk is a solid liquid or gas. Liquid.
And,
So you gotta do
it's a drink.
And it's drink. So you got to mix it in slowly because if you don't, it's just going to splash everywhere. So I'm just going to add it nice and slow.
I hope you splash it so I can.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Thank you, Jude.
What? That's just make everything better.
What are you trying to make me pour it in quicker for?
Because I want you to splash it so I can.
Okay, we got our half a cup in there.
And
Now I'm going to mix it up again. And we're going to go a little faster, get it all mixed together really nice.
do it all right. Yeah!
Alright, I'm going to stop it for a second to push everything down on the sides. Jude, can you tell Jude's really excited about his show this evening? Oh, Jude, you need to show him something else too.
What?
What happened the other day? Lost another tooth.
Fourth one, and I have 2 wigglies.
Now go wash your hands. Just put your hands in your mouth. Alright, I'm going to mix the rest of this up while you're gone, Jude. I won't do anything else.
Yeah, mix it up.
So when you're making this recipe, you want a 9x9 pan, okay? Jude, what kind of shape is this?
Square.
It's a square. 9x9 means all the sides are 9 inches by 9 inches, which that makes a square.
Yeah. If you watch number blocks, they say squares are strong.
All right. So what we're going to do now is we're going to get ready to add our oh, what did I forget to do? Almost forget to do.
Make a mess.
What do we have to do with this before we put the batter in?
Oh yeah.
We have to grease the pan.
And while you do that, I'm going to tell you about
No, hang on a second. When you it says the recipe that I got or that I found said you should flour and grease your pan. We're just going to use olive oil. Honestly, guys, I have never had anything stick with just using olive oil spray. So far, so good. I'm on a good streak, so we're going to hopefully keep that up. Go ahead, Jude.
So, while he dumps this in, I'm going to tell you about Number Blocks. Number Blocks is about, is a TVY show about, blocks of the rainbow, and they make friends by jumping on each other's heads. And I actually, I just love that show. It's the first thing I watched in Netflix.
Yep, it's a Netflix show.
Yes. Which I love.
So a little plug for Netflix and Number Blocks.
Yes, it's also on CDs, BBC, if you have that. You can also watch it on that. Came out in 2019 for CDs. And now it just came in Netflix like a month ago or 2 months ago, and I almost watched all the episodes.
All right.
One of the episodes actually makes me cry almost.
Also, if you use like a disposable foil pan, it will help keep some of the moisture in when you're baking it. Sometimes cakes tend to dry out, but the foil pan will help you hold a little of the moisture in.
Are you doing a foil pan?
We are doing a foil pan.
Yes.
Okay. So now I'm gonna put this bowl back here. We got all our. I'll try to flatten it out a little bit.
Can I do it?
Oh, olive oil everywhere. All right, so that's our cake and our batter. We are going to bake this for 30 to 40 minutes.
And when it's done, we'll do the icing.
And when you take it out, it's got to cool completely. So set it on a pot holder or on your counter or maybe the top of the stove until it's completely cooled. So we're going to go ahead, throw in our cake. We're going to clean up a little bit, and we'll see you guys in a couple minutes for the buttercream icing recipe. See you in a bit.
Again, this is Chef Bobby and his assistant Jude, 7 years old, 4'10", originally from BLMD. I got it.